Hi guys, this is Ms. Marquez and I'm going to show you again how to do Screencastify. I'm going to hit the waffle, I'm going to hit slides, it's the yellow one. Waiting for it to open up, I'm going to hit my slide. Once I open up my slide, I open up a new tab. I'm going to put Screencastif, oops, put a D, backspace, FY. And hit enter. Then it says Screencastify. I do not need to add it. When you add it, it's going to ask, can it access your camera? Please press yes. But since I already have it, I'm going back to my slides. I'm going to hit this little movie clip right here that says Screencastify. Open it up. It's on my desktop. I put on my microphone. I embedded the web camera. And then I'm going to decide, am I going to do top left corner, top right corner, bottom left, or bottom right? I'm picking bottom right. Then I'm going to hit record. I'm going to hit your entire screen. Do I want it to show the entire screen? Yes, I want it to show the entire slide. So I'm going to hit share.
3, 2,
it's counting
1.
down. Hi, this is Mrs. Marquez, and this is my presentation on polar bears. Changing slides. Polar bear facts. Polar bears are not white, but have black skin and clear fur. The white we see is ice and snow reflecting off the fur. Polar bears are carnivores. Their favorite food is seals. Polar bears do not hibernate, and last, polar bears can swim for up to 60 miles. I hit stop sharing. Hi, this is Mrs. Marquez, and this is my presentation on polar bears. Changing slides. Polar bear facts. Polar bears are not white, but have black skin and clear fur. The white we see is ice and snow reflecting off the fur. Polar bears are carnivores. Their favorite food is seals. Polar bears do not hibernate, and last, polar bears can swim for up to 60 miles. Okay, so now I want to... Okay, so make sure you put it in Google Drive right here and save it. And if you have any problems, I'm over there. Feel free to raise your hand or ask or call my name. Thank you.